first thing what I would say is like we had started this project around 6 months back. So like we had worked around day and night, and it took 3 months to for us to stay in college and do it. So like main thing what we have done is like the entire thing was made by us, like from solar panels to the chassis, like everything we had customized it. Everything we had customized it, like even the batteries what we have used is special solar batteries, like batteries are of 42 ah. Solar panels we have used 3 solar panels, each of 250 watts, and in that two are connected in series, and the backside panel that is connected in parallel. We had financial support from a company called Repower Grid. It's about energy, like they had sponsored us for the project. The vehicle will run up to 120 kilometers, like continuously 6 hours. If it is fully charged, it will be running to 120 kilometers, and with an average speed of 25 to 30 kilometer per hour. And the material what we have used, that's like around 10 times stronger than normal steel material, that is AISI 1080. That's like 10 times stronger. In this LP we have taken part in 2 events, that is ISI ESVC Electric Solar Vehicle Championship, which was held in Bhopal, and one more is LPU, which was held in Punjab, Lovely Professional University, Punjab. In that our vehicle has come in second in endurance A, which was like you're supposed to run your vehicle without batteries. Yeah, like through solar panels you are supposed to run a vehicle. So in that we have secured a second place, and we had missed the first place just by 0.2 seconds.
We got endurance a runner-up, and it's all about running the vehicle only with the solar panels with the available sunlight what we are getting, and our vehicle efficiency is the main thing here. It will run up to 60 to 70 kilometers only with the batteries. If continuous sunlight is there, it will be running continuously for 120 to 130 kilometers. That's what the special thing in our vehicle.
I think it's because of the government of India. They have started with something. Innovation is more important. Our country was lacking in innovation for some time. They have started with that, and it has really worked out. Swachh Bharat and Make in India, those things are happening. Swachh Bharat is leaded for solar energy and battery bikes, and Make in India, they started to innovate something, and they have landed up with various projects. There are 4 successful projects completed by our students, and they have participated in national and international level events, and they have won prizes in that. So to celebrate that, we have gathered, and we want you people to make it wider and others to know about our celebration. No, every team is unique on their own individual things. There is one project which is totally about water things. The underwater, it's in Varuna, which is the total equipment is drowned in the water, and it is operating. It will be helpful for national security, and it will be helpful for more of seaside things. There is one which is go-kart. Go-kart is it's a game, and they have made on par with F1 race go-karting. And e-bike they have made with fully battery, and it has been the people are using it. You can visibly see that it's eco-friendly, and it has made pollution-free, noise-free. And there is one solar vehicle which is an gem of the projects of all these projects. Every project is individually special, and that solar has won 4th place in All India event, which is a proud moment. And this Vaga, they have participated in Singapore. They have established where students from China, Russia have participated, and our students have contributed well in that. It's a proud moment for us.
As you see, you can see Bangalore temperature has increased due to the carbon dioxide more in our Bangalore. So to reduce that, solar vehicle will be very helpful. So as we can run on directly from solar without any crude oil. So this is very important in our nature, as our fuel will be over in future. These are future plans, and it can run for 4 hours directly from batteries, and even with solar panel can run directly. So if we have enough solar energy, we can run from morning 6 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock as well, without stopping, without any failure. So these are the specialty of our vehicle.
And we manufacture an electric bike. This is because we are facing a lot of problems on pollution and the fuel problems. So we wanted something different, and it should be eco-friendly. So we planned 25 members joined together and planned for the eco-friendly bike, which is suitable for city conditions and as well as all conditions. So we did completely, and it consists of it is same as the normal bikes, and it is suitable for all the youths. That is the main aim was to satisfy youths to give the bike. Our bike runs up to 50 kilometer speed, and it travels for almost 90 kilometers when it's completely charged.
So, what are the further plans?
We are trying to innovate and upgrade the bike using solar panels and solar stickers and automatic gear, so increasing the more speed and more endurance. And we're trying to use less weight batteries so that our endurance gives more and weight reduces.
Absolutely, it's a proud moment for the college and personally for us. Students have done something which is innovative and informative, and they bring laurels to the institution. We are really happy. This is what we are expecting here. And to my knowledge, we have an institution in Chennai and other things. The syllabus of VTU is somewhat better when compared with other universities. They are more innovative. They give these kind of opportunity for the students. Than learning things, they have to implement into day-to-day life. This university is having more innovations, and they are allowing students to think out of the box. They thought this, and this is what is happening today. So we are really happy about that.